1990 Topps Rack Pack box. Let's see what we're gonna pull. All right, so it looks like we were evened up, so we're gonna pull 2 packs out of the box, 1 each video. So this will be video 1 of 2, Rack Pack 1 of 2. These are gonna be 46 card total Rack Packs. It's 45 cards plus 1 special glossy all-star card, which you've been getting in Rack Packs for a number of years now from Topps. The packaging has changed though. Can't tell really anything as far as what you're gonna get. But let's take a look and see what we're looking for in terms of rookies. Got the Juan Gonzalez, worth $1. Sammy Sosa, $2. The Frank Thomas, made the Hall of Fame in 2014, $4. Also looking for the 1 error card where a corrected card was made, and that's the infamous no name on front Frank Thomas card. Larry Walker, $1, made the Hall of Fame in 2020, and Bernie Williams coming in at $1.50. Here's the 100 cards for 1990 Topps. Wouldn't mind getting any one of those. And in this case, we're going to be pulling a glossy all-star. So the big one is the Cal Ripken Jr. coming in at $1.50. All right, so let's see what we land. We're going to take the easy way out. Use our scissors. Don't feel like fighting with these packs. Remember when I first saw these cards, I loved them back in 1990. When these cards came out, I thought they were awesome looking, and I remember getting my first Don Mattingly and thinking to myself, that's an awesome card. All right, so let's see. So we get 45 plus 1, which is up from 87 and 88. Where I believe you get 88, I think you get 42 plus 1. And 86, 87, I think you get 48 plus 1. So we're right about in the middle. All right, cards are looking good. A slight bit bend to them, but that's okay. We got a little bit of a corner issue on that back card. Let's take a look at that real quick. It's going to be the Todd Stottlemyre. There's a corner issue right there. We're going to go ahead and toss out the Todd Stottlemyre card due to that minor issue. Rest of the cards look okay. Start out with our 1989 All-Star Team Glossy American League Manager, Tony La Russa. Very good. Manage the Oakland Athletics. Not going to be on my list, so that's going to tell me this card is going to be worth less than 40 cents, but it's a double asterisk variation, so very cool on the Tony La Russa All-Star card. For cards, we've got Willie McGee, Mickey Tettleton, Mike Fitzgerald, Todd Burns, Jim Deshaies, Jose Oquendo, Tom Brunansky, Dick Schofield, Brett Butler, George Brett, very nice. Is he a 100 card? Oh, he's card number 60. Vince Coleman, very nice on the Vince Coleman, card number 660, okay. Lee Smith, Tom Lawless, Brian Downing, Mike Bilecki, Kent Anderson, Mark Eichhorn, Jeff Huson, Jeff Blauser, Jim Rice, phenomenal player there. Doc Gooden, great pitcher, Card number 510. Throw him some love. Put him over here. Dave Smith. Mark Grant. John Costello. Kurt Stillwell. Herm Winningham. Tony Pena. Mitch Webster. Don Carmen. Mike Maddox. Future Star card of Todd Zeal. It's going to be his rookie card, but not a notable rookie card, according to Beckett. Mickey Weston, manager of the Texas Rangers at the time, Bobby Valentine. Jerry Roos. Sean Hillegas. Jose De Jesus. Hensley Mullins. Pascual Perez. Eric Plunk. Baseball checklist, card 6 of 6, giving us, it looks like, the St. Louis Cardinals here. Texas Rangers, Toronto Blue Jays, and then in commemoration of the A. Bartlett Giamatti, along with the All-Star cards, checklist, record breaker, Nolan Ryan salute, and turn back the clock. Got Greg Caderet, Tom Lampkin, Rob Ritchie, and finally Lenny Harris. All right, not too bad on that pack. We did pick up George Brett, always a favorite. Nice long career with the Royals. Picked up Doc Gooden. Phenomenal pitcher, nice long career with the Mets, as well as Vince Coleman, phenomenal player, nice long career with the Cardinals. And our 1989 glossy All-Star team card in this rack pack went to the American League manager, Tony La Russa. Good deal. All right, folks, there you have it. 1990 Topps 45+1 card rack pack. From the box, we lost one card, the Todd Stottlemyre, to a bit of a corner issue. But that was video 1 of 2, pack 1 of 2. Thanks for watching, supporting the channel, and stay tuned. We're going to open up another rack pack coming up.